So today I'm recording my first ever clean with me. I decided to clean my bathroom, so I figured why not try to make one of these videos. It's my first one, so I really hope you guys enjoy it.
Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back.
As you can see, I'm just putting things away and clearing off the counter so I can wipe it down.
You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right.
To clean off my counter, I'm just going to use some Clorox spray. I figure this works the best for me. It's what I've always used, so like the new cleaners I'm not really familiar with. So yeah, I just use Clorox spray.
And now you have to pay the price. Yeah, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late. Your time is up. Damage done and now we're stuck. 'Cause it's too late. You roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place.
So now I'm going to move on to cleaning my toilet. And for this I use the Clorox disposable toilet brush. I love this system. I think it's great since you can just pop the little toilet brush off and dispose of it in the trash, and it's not just sitting there like a regular toilet brush. So yeah, I really like it. So now I'm just taking a Lysol wipe and I'm cleaning off the handle. I usually use Clorox wipes for this, but the Lysol wipes were on sale, so I just decided to pick those up instead. And I'm going to use those wipes to also clean off my toilet. And for this part I use like 1,000 wipes, but I just like to make sure it's clean.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side.
So now I'm going to move on to cleaning my bathtub. And I use the Kaboom Foamtastic for this. I absolutely love this stuff. I feel like it gets the tile and the tub clean like so good, just so good. So yeah. And after I spray that, I'm just going to let it sit and clean off my little shower rod. I just feel like doing this makes the shower curtain ring slide much better along the rod. So yeah, I like to do this step. And then also I'm going to take a little scrub brush and some more of that Clorox cleaner and just scrub the tile. I like to do this every once in a while just to make sure I get like any grime and buildup from the tile.
Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
So now I'm gonna go in with a Clorox floor mop. I'm not sponsored by Clorox or anything. I just find that their products work really well to clean the bathroom. So yeah, but I use a floor mop to clean my tub because it makes cleaning it so quick and easy, and you can really scrub and just really get in there and clean. I also think that a floor mop works really well for if you have like a bad back, or you may be pregnant and you really can't bend down and like clean your tub the way you want. So a floor mop works excellent.
Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together, you, oh you, I keep wishing.
So really quick, I'm just gonna take a few Lysol wipes and clean off the walls from like any water spots or dust that may have gathered on the wall.
Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
And now I'm gonna go in with just some glass cleaner that I got from the Dollar Tree and clean off my mirrors.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door.
So now I'm gonna move on to sweeping and mopping my floor. To mop, I use a Swiffer. I just feel like in an apartment, this is the best method to mop your floor because there's not really many areas to mop besides the bathrooms and the kitchen.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right.
So lastly, I'm just hanging up my shower curtain and my liner. I decided to wash these, so now I'm just hanging them back up. For my shower liner, I use a cloth shower liner. I just figure it's more convenient to be able to take them both down and pop them in the wash and then hang them back up.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another one.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.